Well, this is what it looks like. Blizzard conditions, wind's picking up, big flakes. Again, Ryan just used the snowblower and clear our driveway.
Can't you tell?
Tried anyway.
I did. You just pushed through it.
Yeah. Probably another 2 inches while he was trying to clear it. That's Sebastian. He's a pterodactyl today. So he's jumping off every piece of furniture we have flying around with his shirt open.
Okay.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Kinda. In a sick, tormented way. Just a little bit of condensation on my glasses.
Here's the wind again. It's kind of a breeze compared to the gust that we're having, where we cannot see the neighbor's house.
Yeah.
Wind.
Look over there, those are cars that were cleared off. Well, at least David's on the other side.
Yeah.
And there's Jeff's car over there, in between the two dogwoods.
Yeah.
And his car's buried again. It was cleared last night. He just parked it there last night.
Yeah.
And
there's our neighbor lady snow blowing her driveway again.
If you can see that far.
If you can see that, it's kind of hard. And there's the gust of wind, and everything goes white out. Yay!
Let's go get pizza somewhere.
Well, that's the update. YouTube.